Alright everyone, welcome back to Rob's Numismatic Archaeology. We're all set up for our nickel hunt. We got our box, we got our scope, we got our Jefferson nickel book, and we are ready to go. So let's see if we find. So the first roll, we have our first find. It is actually an error, 2005 Jefferson nickel out of Denver. Here, you can see it almost looks like a die chip underneath the buffalo. So let's put on the scope and I will show you. Yeah, see right there? That is definitely a very large die chip because it is protruding out. Let's adjust the light a little bit. Yeah, that is definitely a large die chip. So pretty cool find, probably worth a couple bucks. So let's see what we find next. Alright, so second roll, second find. 1952 out of Philadelphia. Let's keep going. Alright, next find, a couple rolls later. 1957. This one's going to be out of Denver. Alright, we're going to keep going. Alright, 2 rolls later, we have 2 finds. 1957 out of Denver. And that we actually have a really decent shape, 1949. This one's going to be out of San Francisco, so that's a lower mintage, probably around, I think it's 9.7 million. So 2 pretty good finds, and we'll see what we get. Right, we're back again. Next roll, 2 finds. In 1946, this one's going to be out of San Francisco. Yep. And this one in 1959, out of Denver. Sorry, we'll keep going. All right, so we're continuing to find some goodies here. First off, found this really nice and shiny, almost looks brand new. This one's in 1960, and this one's out of Philadelphia. And I saw maybe 1 step, but this is still really nice condition. And I found this 1953 out of Philadelphia. All right, we're gonna keep going and see what else we can find. We're back again with another find. 1959. This one's gonna be out of Denver. Alright, let's see what the next roll brings. Alright, so we're back with another find. A few rolls later, 1955. This one's going to be out of Denver. I was really hoping this one was a Philadelphia because I am missing that one for my album. So, alright, we're going to keep going on this one. Alright guys, I'm bringing you back on this roll here. I spy a possible silver. I think you guys can see it too. So we're going to open this up. Hopefully we get it. Yeah, we have a 35% silver. This one looks to be out of Philadelphia. You can tell by the big P above the Monticello. And this one is going to be a 19... see if I can focus here. 1943. Great find. So, we're going to keep going. We got silver finally. And yeah, let's see what else we find. Very next roll, we have 2 finds in 1948. Philly. In 1958 out of Denver. Alright, let's see what else we can get. So we're at the end of our hunt. I hunted a few rolls offline, but we did end up starting off with a 1939. This one's going to be out of Philly. Still haven't found a 1938 of any mintage yet. So we have a 1940. That one's out of Philly. 41. Philly. We ended up getting a 35% silver. This one's a 1943 at Philadelphia. 2 1946. 1 being Philadelphia. I believe the other one I got was, let's zoom in here. I do remember that one's in San Francisco. Got a 48 Philly. Got a 49. And that one is actually out of San Francisco. That is a lower mintage, I believe. We have a 52 Philly, 53 Philly, 54 Philly, 2 1955s, and these ones are going to be out of Denver. We have a total of 3 1957 Denvers, total of 2 1958 Denvers. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1959 Denvers. And lastly, our miscellaneous. These are good quality. We got 4 1964, really good quality. 1960 is pretty good. think I can see a couple steps on this one. And we also got 4 of the 2009Ds. So these are a little vintage also. But all in all, good hunt. We got some silver. I'll see you guys on the next one.